Hey! So if you're like me, you've probably noticed AI is changing how we search for stuff online. Let me show you the top 10 AI search engines in 2025 and why they're actually worth using. Alright, first up, Perplexity AI. It's kinda like if Google and ChatGPT had a baby. You ask a question, and it gives you a clean, direct answer, with links to where it found the info. Super helpful for quick research. Next is good old Google, but now it's got AI built in. You'll see quick AI summaries right at the top, and if you want to dig deeper, Gemini, that's Google's AI, can actually chat with you and help brainstorm ideas. Bing has had a glow-up. With Copilot, it now gives fast summaries, lets you ask follow-up questions, and even generates images on the spot. If you use Windows or Microsoft tools, this one fits right in. We all know ChatGPT, but now it can browse the web. So instead of just giving general info, it can pull in real-time stuff and explain it in a way that's easy to understand. Feels more like talking to a smart friend. U.com is cool if you want more control. You can switch between different search modes, and it has built-in tools for writing, coding, and more. Plus, it's big on privacy. Andi is super clean and distraction-free. It doesn't show ads, doesn't track you, and the answers are simple and to the point. It just feels really fresh and modern. Kagi is a paid search engine. Yeah, you subscribe to it, but you get 0 ads and a really focused experience. If you're someone who values time and clean results, it's worth checking out. DeepSeek is more on the advanced side. It's great for reading long documents or doing deep analysis, especially if you're into coding or research. If you're a developer or learning to code, Phind is for you. You can ask it technical stuff and it gives you examples, explains how things work, and even writes code. And last, Brave Search. It's focused on privacy. No tracking, no ads, and it uses its own AI and search index. It's a great option if you want solid results without being followed around the web. So, yeah, AI search is on another level now. Whether you're doing research, coding, or just want clean ad-free answers, there's a tool here for you. Try a few out and let me know which one you like best. And hey, if you want more AI tools and tips, hit that subscribe button.